How to connect Lovable with Vercel. So for this part, make sure to have Lovable open as well as Vercel. So make sure that you also have an account for both of them. Now on your Lovable, just locate the project that you wish to connect with your Vercel. I have in here this particular project. Let's click onto this. And then it should be able to open in here this part. Now the thing that we can do is we can use GitHub in order to connect the two. Click onto this GitHub icon that you can see. Now in here, we have the GitHub. So you can open it right here and you can find it right there. Now, once it's open, let's head over to our Vercel and let's import Git repository. Let's continue with GitHub. Click onto this right here. Then make sure to log in. Into this, you can see the options. You can see the permissions. And for that, just head over and click onto this authorize Vercel option that we can see. Wait for this to successfully load and you will be redirected in here again. And then for this part, just head over and click onto this install. And then verify it through this way. Scroll down. You can also choose all of the repositories that you wish to install the Vercel or only select specific repositories. In this case, let's choose in here specific ones. I have in here several repositories, but for this case, let's choose in here this wagging words, which is this one right here. Let's choose that. Click onto this. Scroll down. Click on install. Then after that, you can verify this access via email. Enter in here the code and click on verify. Then after that, you will be redirected back into Vercel and you should be able to see it right here all together. So as you can see, we have now connected Lovable with Vercel. Hope we helped.